Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to draw a dotted curved line in Photoshop. Okay. First of all, select a new layer, text. Oh, sorry. Select pen tool or line tool. I use pen tool. This is best. Fill, crossed, and dotted line. Select your color. Okay. Select dot line. Align middle. Then enter. Click this, hold shift and press your area. Hold shift for fix line and resize your dot line. Okay. Then right click mouse, convert to smart object. Again rasterize layer. Control T, select this logo, go to work customs, and now see this mini curved style. Resize the curved style. Okay, I added this. Simple. Now see this many curved styles. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.